Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both apps so you can record and send quickly. Grant microphone and storage access to the voice changer. This lets you capture and export audio without prompts interrupting you. Once done, pick a voice preset or make a short test recording to check pitch and clarity. Then open the WhatsApp chat you'll use. Make sure you know whether you'll attach a saved file or use Share to WhatsApp from inside the voice app. That choice shapes the next steps. Now you handle recording and editing so the message sounds right. Record a short clip first to confirm volume and background noise, then apply noise reduction and trim off silence. This keeps the clip crisp. Next, tweak pitch, speed, and effect intensity. Less is often clearer. Then preview the result. When satisfied, export the file as MP3 or WAV. Pick the highest quality WhatsApp accepts to avoid artifacts. Finally, use the voice app's share feature or save to files for the next step. Finish by sending and verifying delivery so your recipient hears the intended effect. Tap Share in the voice app or attach the saved file in WhatsApp, add a caption if needed, and send. If the file won't attach or plays silently, check format, size, and microphone/storage permissions. WhatsApp can block unsupported codecs or oversized files. If problems persist, re-export at a lower bitrate or use the voice changer's direct share option to bypass file manager issues. That usually fixes upload or compatibility errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.